Is your PC acting strange? Constant pop ups, high CPU uses, slowness, and lagging on your system? Maybe you have been hacked. Antivirus software can remove them, but not 100%. And sometimes it can trigger the another viruses on your computer as well. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all the viruses by wiping out your SSD or hard drive. So there are some critical warnings before we proceed with this video. First one is data loss. Wiping the drive deletes everything, and hope you know that: photos, document and games, and install application. If you backup files before wiping, scan them with a high quality antivirus on another machine before putting them back. But I don't recommend you to put them back, since sometimes there may be some viruses inside your files as well. Now the step number one is: do not create your bootable USB on the infected computer. Use a different clean PC, download the official ISO and create your bootable media. This ensures the virus doesn't hit a write onto your new installation. So let's begin now. Let's say this computer is affected. So shut it down and use another computer. Now I got the another computer, and similar you need to do. At least 8 GB or pen drive you need to have, and make sure all the data will be wiped out from that USB as well. Now we have inserted it. Now you need to download the Windows 11 ISO or whichever operating system you are using. Let's say Windows 10 or 7. Go to official source and download the ISO file similarly. And download the ISO files simply. Then click on confirm. This will take some time. Another tool we need to have is Rufus in order to make a bootable pen drive. Tap the Rufus, download, and download this tool as well on your system. So once ISO file and the Rufus are installed on your computer, on another working computer and clean computer, just open the Rufus here, make a double click on that, and it will automatically detect your USB. Now you need to click on select option, locate the ISO file where you downloaded it. This is ISO file 25s2, and then click on open. And once you open it, click on start. So let's begin it. Click on start and then click on OK. And this process is going to make a bootable pen drive on our system. So let's just wait here for some time until it gets completed, and thereafter I will resume this video. Now ISO file has been made successfully, and when I close it, you can reconfirm it. Now we have successfully made a bootable pen drive on the fresh PC without infected. So you can remove your pen drive. So I have booted the system with the pen drive. Click on next here, then click on next. Install Windows 10 on 11. Great. You can also do the old version of setup. Choose the option custom one, and now here is the option to delete all the partitions here. Now I have deleted all the partitions here, only one is showing up here. Just select the total size, the largest one, and delete all the other one, then click on next, and window is going to install now. And all the viruses should be deleted from your computer, and you will get the fresh window with the new OS. So this is how guys you can delete all the viruses from your computer. And I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.